How to change perspective in Capcut PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change perspective in Capcut PC and Mac. So let's dive in. First, you have to import any project that you want to work on. I'm going to use stock videos from the library. So I'm just going to search for a lady over here and then use any stock image or video that is available. Like I'm just going to use this one over here and then click this plus sign. Once I have the picture or video or the project that I want to work on, I'm going to select this and then go to this animation section over here and then go to combo and then just search for flip in this section. You can use any flip that you want. I'm going to go with flip 4 and click this download option over here and then add it. Once I add it, I'm going to right click on this track and click create compound, and now you can see a compound clip has been created. Now to get a better version of a view, I'm going to go to the ratio section and choose 9:16 over here, and you can also choose 16:9 if you want. So once you have the better ratio for the visuals, it's only for the visuals so you can see it better. Once you have it, you have to just go back and just choose the point where you want to freeze it and want the perspective. Suppose I want this perspective, so I'm going to just freeze the frame over here by using this freeze icon, and you can see they have just frozen this point, and I'm going to move it to layer 2. Now just choose the second perspective that you want. I'm going to just hide this one so I can see this track only, and now you can see which perspective you want. For the second one, I want this perspective. I'm going to just freeze it over here by using the freeze section. First select the clip and then just choose to freeze it, and once you freeze it over here, you can just move it to the second layer and just delete the remainings. And once you do so, now you can see you have those sections over here, and just show the track now, and now you can see I have two perspectives over here. Just move the perspective over here, and now you can just drag and adjust the perspectives, and now you have two perspectives over here. And that's how you make perspective on Capcut PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.